What is an NFC digital business card? Today, let's start with how to set it up. Once you receive the card, simply tap it to your phone. A browser link will pop up. Just tap the link to continue. Tap Link to Account to access the Tekmark platform. After you sign up and log in, the card will be automatically linked to your account. Inside the platform, you can set up their profile details, including your company, job title, logos, and more. Now, click Add Companies to add your contact details. This includes your phone number, email, social media links, Google reviews, files, and more. Once you've finished filling everything out, click Preview to make sure all of your information is included. Now let's get into the hands-on part. How to use it for networking. This is a 100% secure, modern way to network. It's super simple, just tap it to the other person's phone, and they'll instantly see the profile you just created. They can tap any button to go directly to the destination you set. They can click Save Contact to instantly save all of your details. No typing needed. They can also share their information with you through Contact Exchange. Once the exchange is successful, their contact details will appear in your contact list. Follow-ups have never been this easy. You can also export your contacts with one click. You can also view your networking insights in the dashboard. It's a digital business card designed to stay with you for life. And there are even more powerful networking features waiting for you to explore.